Hello, this is Mr. Kent of MrKent.com, and once I heard somebody say that uploaded videos to YouTube are processed and don't come out as sharp. And so I thought, well, why go to the trouble of getting a 4K drone when my 1080p will work just fine? And so I ran a little test with my GoPro camera, and it has all those settings on it in the backyard. And when I did, I zoom in on this palm. You notice the 1080 is grainy compared to the 4K. This is the original video, so it should look that way. So I did that, and then I backed off, and you can kind of see in the distance the bird of paradise plant. So I went over there and I zoomed in on it and tried to get a good picture of how sharp things were. And you notice the petals in the 1080 are a little more fuzzy on the edges than the petals on the 4K. And so that's raw video right there. And I thought, okay, excuse me, I'm going to upload this to YouTube, and then I'm going to download it and check it out. So that's what I did, and this is the downloaded video here. All right, so now you can take a look and check for yourself and see if the YouTube video is any more fuzzy than the original. And as you can see, 4K is sharper coming down from downloaded from YouTube. Looking at the palm bush, and then this is the same video, but uploaded and then downloaded from YouTube. So we'll go over and look at it, and you can still see on the edges of the petals, they're still sharp, more sharp in the 4K than they were on the 1080. So then I decided, all right, I'm going to compare side by side the downloaded video along with the original video. So here's a shot. On the left is the original video, and on the right is the downloaded video. And as you can see, there's not a whole lot of difference between those on the left and those on the right. So I would say probably YouTube does a pretty good job of preserving the quality of our videos. Looks to me like 4K is worth going to if you can afford it on YouTube, because it does make a difference between the 4K and the 1080p. So anyway, now I know, and now you know, and I want to thank you for watching, and God bless.